What's up with Tesla today? Let's take a look at that. Closed at 332.89 minus. We are down $5.34, 1.5% down. Post-market a little bit down. Look at this. I like to see this. I like when his stock goes up, but I like also when his stock just stops perfectly on our lines. You look at this, 326.19. Look at this perfection. Boom, right smack on it. Here we were pretty perfect too, November 12th and 13th. That was pretty good. 309, that was very good right here. So if we identify the right frontiers, the stock is going to touch them again. So this is what we have. So we are rebounding a little bit on 326.19. So this is what this wick means. We came lower and finished a little bit higher. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, we see it very well on the 1 hour chart. We have, we had the first move down, first hour of the day, boom. Second hour of the day, this is when we bounced on 326.19. Then we are recovering a little bit, but as I said, no stochastic. We don't believe anything. Anything that goes up without stochastic, we don't believe it, basically. So on the 1 hour chart, nothing to believe. On the daily chart, yes, we still believe it, because overall, if we consider the whole move, it's still pretty nice. It's still a believable move. So short term, 1 hour chart, within the day, Tesla has not shown today any indication that it wants to go higher on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, still pretty good. In fact, it's even better than what it was not too recently. November 14th and 15th, we went as low as 309. Here, we are stopping above. We are stopping at 326. So this is indicating that we are making higher lows. This is a low, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low. Now, we are making higher lows. So let's look at that a little bit more. So making higher lows is one thing. Then we want to see it making higher highs. So the highs are here. This is a high, both of them. They are highs. And the other high was right here. So right now, the highs are plateauing and the lows are still going higher. So I can remove this right here. We effectively have, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to consider today's move as a low. To really have a low, we need to have the stock go higher. So I am assuming it's going to go higher tomorrow. If it's not true, I'm going to change my line, I buy those lines at Costco, so I have so many of them. They are practically free. So this would in effect show us that we are into a ascending triangle. So this is good news. So if the lows are getting higher and the highs are making a plateau, eventually this will have to be resolved. So is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? Most of the time it goes higher. So this is interesting information right here that we learned today, just looking at today. So tomorrow we are going to confirm this ascending triangle support. In terms of indicators, nothing too special right here. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So VIX is staying pretty low. So this should be helping the stock market as a whole. We also have bonds that are moving down from this resistance because as a whole, this is going down. We like to see this. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, okay, a little bit of a move down today, but this is what stocks do. They go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But, this one is still moving up. So nothing bad about this. S&P also a little bit of a move down. Interesting to see that we are caving right smack on resistance. Cannot make this up. NASDAQ Nasdaq, pretty, a little bit of a down day, but we are still making higher lows. We're still making higher lows. What can I do about that? Let's look at the rest of the market. Yeah. So it's pretty much iffy market. We have things going down, things going up. Bitcoin bouncing nicely on 91. Like to see this. XRP perfectly bouncing on 135. This is perfect. This is perfect right here. XLM also. We had a couple of days, let's say, of things going down in crypto, but things seem to pick up quite well. So let's just be patient. We have other stocks. We have a little bit of other stock showing buying signals. You can get those when you become a member. But yeah, let's always keep an eye on Tesla because when this one goes, it goes like crazy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.